Huawei Cloud.
It's a long-term strategic partner.
No other way to operate than cloud native.
G1, how are you? I would like to have an opening dance. Let's give a high five. Are you ready for this new era, this AI era, this intelligent era? Is your cloud ready? Is your data ready? But also, is your security ready? And is G ready? He can dance. But we're going to answer any question that you have to be ready for this intelligent era here at Huawei Connect in Madrid. So join us and we're going to show you all the answers. Everybody drives on a road, everybody is here in a building, and you want to be sure that the concrete is safe and you stay protected. I'm here with Jesus from Screening Eagle. They analyze basically every concrete in the world.
Yeah, at Screening Eagle, we manufacture hardware and software that allows you to actually analyze the quality of the concrete and infrastructures with the use of these devices we manufacture ourselves and a software suite that we have in the cloud that helps you analyze much faster and produce the results on the spot.
And the end user, so the user that operates in this device, has a remote desktop, so he can use all the CPU power that he needs, but just having a simple laptop or tablet.
This software you see here doesn't execute in that laptop, it executes in Huawei Cloud. Behind it has one of the products called Workspace, actually.
And if you have to compare it with how you did before on-prem and now, what's the difference?
It changes the experience for everybody. Like before, it was limited to the computer you was running this on. And then you had to have a lot of investment to set up on-premise hardware, maintain it, the TCO, and in the case of moving into the cloud, we eliminated all that maintenance and setup and provisioning, and we can scale really limitless.
Jesus, thanks a lot.
Nice to meet you. Thank you very much.
It's very crucial for a hotel group to lead in the digital era as well. Can you explain a little bit more about Barceló, how you operate, and on the other hand, how do you lead your digital transformation?
Barceló Hotel Group is one of the leading hospitality companies in Spain and among the top hotel groups in the worldwide. We operate more than 250 hotels across over 20 countries. In recent years, we have accelerated our digital transformation, focusing on cloud adaptation, data-driven decision-making, and artificial intelligence. We wanted to monitor our infrastructure, improve scalability, and optimize the cost. Working with Huawei Cloud has been a very positive experience. We achieved a strong performance, operational stability, and excellent collaboration between our technical teams. We see Huawei not just a cloud provider, which is a long-term strategic partner from supporting our innovation roadmap.
The digital ad space is really changing at lightning speed. I'm here with Sebastian from Azerion. You're in the middle of it. Can you explain what is changing currently at the fastest speed?
Yeah, I think two things. Digital advertising is already, for a lot of people, surprisingly technical, because every time you see an ad on the TV or on your phone, an auction takes place with hundreds of thousands of people participating and evaluating whether or not to show an ad. We do 500,000 of these auctions every second, and that generates 30 billion data points every minute. We use AI as, let's say, the virtual human employee to constantly adjust the settings in these systems and to optimize, etc. I think most of us moved to clouds in 2010, around when this whole auction thing started. It was necessary by default. Even actually 3-4 years ago, we said we need a multi-cloud environment between different providers, between Huawei, AWS, Google.
What kind of applications you use, which are basically have to run in the cloud?
I think first you understand that there's a lot of traffic and then delivery of the ads. So there's a lot of hosting, you could say. So as almost a CDN, that's a massive part of it. And then the compute power to do these auctions, of course, is also enormous. And then lastly, I think with the Gen AI, we mostly now are trying to provide these tools to our smaller clients so that they can easily create advertising to run.
Thank you, Sebastian.
Thank you very much.
We have showed you 3 examples in media, in the hotel business, but also in the infrastructure analysis. These companies are ready for the new AI intelligent era. They move to the cloud. They are ready with their security, they're ready with their data, and they're ready with their applications. Thank you for watching here from Huawei Cloud, the Huawei Connect booth. Thank you and looking forward to seeing you next time.